Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play Ludo King with your friends online, providing a full guide. First, open the Ludo King application on your mobile device. From the main menu, you will see several options. Select Play with Friends. This choice allows you to either create a new private game room or join one that a friend has already set up. It's a straightforward process to get started with your buddies. When you opt to create a new game, you'll first set your preferred game rules, such as the number of players, which can be 2, 3, or 4. Once confirmed, the game will generate a unique 6-digit private room code. This code is crucial. You'll need to share this specific code with your friends through any messaging platform so they can use it to enter your game room and join the fun. Conversely, if you are joining a friend's game, you will select the Join option. Here, you will be prompted to enter the 6-digit private room code that your friend has shared with you. Carefully type in the code and confirm your entry. Once inside the game lobby, simply wait for all the invited players to join. The game will automatically begin once everyone is ready to roll the dice. Once the game starts, the objective is simple. Roll the dice to move your 4 colored tokens around the board. Strategically land on an opponent's token to send it back to its starting point, gaining an advantage. The ultimate goal is to be the first player to successfully get all 4 of your tokens into your designated home triangle in the center of the board to claim victory. Good luck and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.